Hey, good morning guys, it's Michael. Wanted to show you the GX out in the wild. Got some beautiful camping going in North Carolina on this awesome ridge. Beautiful sunrise. So we got the whole adventure rig set up, got the little camping chairs, got the little mobile kitchen, cooking some bacon, and then we got the GX with the tent all on it. Smells delicious. Got the pup all tied up. But yeah, the tent was open, or the tent was great last night. Pretty windy night. Slept pretty good. What's so great about the GX is how tall it is. So you can just walk right under that. But look at that, guys. I mean, the sun is just beaming. And this spot is perfect. Just right off the trail. So yeah, give you guys a couple cool just shots of it. Loving the setup, worked perfect. Was able to get all the gear in the back. Tent up top's perfect. So yeah, guys, let me know if you got any questions, but again, wanted to let y'all see why we build her up like this, right? Just to be able to get out in great outdoors and use it. So leave your thoughts, questions, comments in the comments section. Again, I got links to everything in the description, and I hope you guys have a great week. See y'all.